Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA. The Made in India initiative has achieved new heights as the Indian-made Akash air defense system has received a significant export order from Armenia with supply scheduled to commence in the next few months. In addition to that, many countries including Brazil, Egypt and Philippines have shown interest in the Akash missile defense system. A careful study of the Armenia's air defense shows that it was not formidable, certainly not where drones are concerned. During recently concluded Nagorno-Karabakh war, Armenia possesses Russian air defense systems like Tor, Strela and older versions of the Korps and S-300s failed miserably to detect Turkish and Israeli supplied drones. The effective range of Strela 10S and OSA anti-aircraft system against the TB2 sized drones was shorter than the range of missiles they carry, whereas the longer ranged Korps and S-300s were optimized against bigger and faster targets compared to the drones, making them invisible. Not only were the Armenians lacking in numbers of relevant systems, but neither did they use them properly by sending them alone rather than providing each other's cover. After the defeat, Armenia has decided to beef up its defenses against the nexus of Azerbaijan and Turkey. However, the Russian invasion of Ukraine has complicated the matter as the country's strategic ally Russia is not able to supply the weapons ordered by Armenia. India has garnered this opportunity in both hands, filled the void created by Russia to beef up the Armenia's air defense system. Starting from Rohini's weapon locating radars, Pinaka MBRL, 155mm Howitzers, Armenia has recently purchased 15 units of Akash air defense system. The list could be long as India could be supplying air-to-ground munitions and loitering munitions in the near future. The Akash, developed by the DRDO in partnership with BEL under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, is a sophisticated amalgam of systems working in a coordinated manner. The heart of the Akash is a mobile Rohini radar which can detect an aircraft when it is 120 km away. Automatically, a coded electronic interrogator ascertains whether this is a friend or foe aircraft. With the target identified, the Rohini radar alerts the Akash squadron headquarters, which then control the engagement. As the enemy fighter races in about 15 km per minute, the task of shooting it down is allocated through a secure digital link to one of the squadron's two missile flights, which are normally about 25 km away, to cover the maximum area. The designated flight control center locks its sophisticated 3D phased array radar onto the enemy aircraft and calculates the launch parameters for the Akash missile to shoot it down at its maximum range of 25 km. However, it is not clear whether Armenia has ordered the upgraded version Akash NG or the baseline version. Recently, India has made history by becoming the first country to successfully shoot down 4 targets simultaneously with the Akash missile defense system. This significant achievement, confirmed by the DRDO's tweet, not only surpasses the capabilities of the major nations like US, China and Russia, but also underscores the India's technological prowess and defense capabilities. The recent demonstration of Akash missile system by India has garnered global attention. This milestone showcases India's ability to engage and destroy multiple targets simultaneously, highlighting a major leap in its defense capability. The success of this test is a statement to the India's indigenous technological innovation and prowess. The acquisition of Akash air defense system by Armenia could be to counter the slow-moving Turkish drone, which created maximum damage to the Armenia's military hardware during the Second Nagorno-Karabakh war. By supplying major military hardware, India is slowly entering into the Central Asia to maximize its sphere of influence. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe our channel. Jai Hind.